Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all will be fine and safe. Dear students, today we are going to learn mathematics of grade 5. Today we will learn unit number 8, perimeter and area, exercise number 1. So first of all we will see what is perimeter and what is an area. The distance around a closed figure is its perimeter. What are the units of perimeter? The units of perimeter are meter and centimeter. Here we have an example of perimeter. The length of a fence around the garden is the perimeter. Now move to area. The space or region occupied by a closed figure is its area. Units: square meter and square centimeter. Example: the grass portion of the ground is the area of that portion. Now we have the next topic, closed figure and open figure. We will see here what is a closed figure and what is an open figure. So first of all we will see closed figure. If the starting and ending points of a figure are the same, then it is called a closed figure. If we have a figure and the starting and ending points of that figure are the same, so it is a closed figure. For example, here you can see that the starting and ending point of this figure is same, so it is a closed figure. What is an open figure? If the starting and ending point of a figure are not the same, then it is not a closed figure. If we have a figure like we can see here in the example, we have a figure and the starting and ending point of that figure is not same, so we will say that this figure is not a closed figure. For example, in this figure you can see here that the starting point of this figure is here and the ending point of this figure ends at this point. So it means that the starting and ending point of this figure is not same. So we will say that this figure is not a closed figure. Now we'll move to books exercise. Exercise 1 on page number 157. Question number 1. Circle the closed shapes. Here we have three figures and we have to circle the closed shape. So first of all we will see figure A. We know that the definition of closed shape is that if the starting and ending point of the figure are same, so we can say that it is a closed shape. As you can see here, the starting and ending point of this figure are same, so it is a closed shape and we will circle the figure A. Now we'll move to figure B and you can see here the starting and ending point of this figure is not same, so we can say that this shape is not a closed shape, so we will not circle this shape. Now we'll move to figure C. And here you can also see that in this figure the starting and ending point are same, so we can say that it is a closed shape, so we will circle this figure also. Now move to question number 2. Find the perimeters of these shapes. Here we have two shapes, a rectangular shape and a square shape, and we have to find the perimeters of shapes. So let's see. Here we have two formulas to find the perimeter of a square and to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So first of all we will see perimeter of a square. What is the formula of perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 cross length of a side. 4 into length of a side. Now the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Here L is the length and B is the breadth. Now we will apply these formulas in our exercise to solve the questions. Question number 2. Find the perimeter of these shapes. Part A. Here we have a square shape and we also know the length of this shape and the length is given here. We know that the formula to find the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of a side. We have 4 sides in a square and the length of all these sides are equal, and which is also given 8 centimeters. So we will put the length of a side in the formula. 4 into length of a side, 4 into 8 centimeter. when we multiply 4 with 8, we will get 4 8s are 32 centimeter. So the perimeter of a square is equal to 32 centimeter. B. Here we have a rectangular shape and we have to find the perimeter of this shape, and we know that in a rectangular shape the two opposite sides are equal. So that's why in the formula we used 2. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. L plus B, L is the length and B is the breadth. The length of this shape is 9 centimeter and the breadth of this shape is 3 centimeter. So we will write 9 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. First of all, we will add both these numbers. 9 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Then we will multiply this length with 2. 2 12s are 24 centimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 24 centimeter. Question number 3. Use the formula to find the perimeters of squares having the following lengths. Here we have part F of your book, and the length of the square is given, and we know that the formula of square to find the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of a side. 4 into length is given, which is 10 centimeter. So we will write 10 centimeter. 4 into 10 is equal to 40 centimeter. Next, question number 4. Use the formula to find the perimeters of the rectangles having the following lengths and breadths. We have to find the perimeters of rectangles and the length and breadth is given here. So here we have part C of your book. Here the length is equal to 6 meter and the breadth is equal to 3 meter. And we know that the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. L is given and B is also given. So we'll put the length and breadth in the formula. 6m plus 3m. 6 meter plus 3 meter. 6 meter plus 3 meter is equal to 9 meter. Now we will multiply 9 meter to 2 with 2. So 2 9s are 18 meter. So the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 18 meter, where when the length and the breadth is given 6 meter and 3 meter. Question number 5. Find the perimeter of a square shape painting whose length of one side is 30 centimeter. Here we have a question and the shape is given. We have a square shape painting and whose length is 30 centimeter. We know that in a square shape we have 4 sides and all the sides are equal in square shape, and the length of one side is given, which is 30 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter of a square, and we know that the formula to find the perimeter of a square is 4 into length of a side. 4 into length of a side, and the length of a side is given, which is 30 centimeter. We will put the length in the formula. 4 into 30 centimeter. When we multiply 4 with 30, we will get 120 centimeter. So the perimeter of a square shape painting is 120 centimeter. Question number 6. Find the perimeter of a rectangular board whose length is 12 meter and breadth is 9 meter. We have to find the perimeter of a rectangular board, and the length and breadth is given. Length is equal to 12 meter and breadth is equal to 9 meter. We have to find the perimeter of a rectangular board. We know that to find the perimeter of a rectangle, we have a formula 2 into L plus B. L is given, which is 12 meter, and B is also given, which is 9 meter. 2 into 12 meter plus 9 meter. First of all, we will add 12 meters and 9 meters. We will get 21 meters. Now we will multiply 21 meters with 2, so that we will get 42 meters. So the perimeter of a rectangular board is 42 meter long. That's all, dear students. Hope you have understood today's lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.